Charlottesville. I'm here, and I need to go find my bag. And see Carrie. Oh my god, I think I see her. Okay. I had to pee so bad. I told you I had to pee so bad. Hi! Aww. Why are you crying? Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. Oh my god. No, I seriously. I got off the plane. I was like, I have to pee. Like, freaking.
Did you go already?
Yeah.
Or you? Oh, okay.
Yeah, I had to go. Like,
Did you go on the plane?
no.
Oh. Were you filming?